Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your tools. Have the Windows 10 ISO and a clean USB of at least 8 GB. Once ready, choose your tool, Rufus for Control or Microsoft Media Creation Tool for simplicity. Plug the USB into a USB 3.0 port for speed. Make sure you've backed up anything important on the drive because this process will erase it. Next, open Rufus or the Media Creation Tool and point it to the ISO. Select the USB device and choose GPT or MBR based on target PC. Now you configure the details. In Rufus pick partition scheme, GPT for modern UEFI machines or MBR for older BIOS systems. This matters because the firmware reads partitions differently. Choose NTFS if the install WIM file exceeds 4 GB. Otherwise, FAT32 ensures UEFI compatibility. Give the volume a short label and enable quick format for speed. Click Start and confirm prompts. Watch the progress bar and wait for verification. Do not remove the USB during. Finish by safely ejecting the USB and restarting the target PC. Enter BIOS or UEFI settings, usually F2, F12, delete or ESC, and set USB as the first boot device, then save and restart. You'll install Windows by following on-screen prompts. Choose Custom Install to format the target drive if needed. If the PC doesn't boot from USB, make sure you use the correct partition scheme for UEFI versus legacy. Recreate the media with the proper settings, or try a different USB port or drive as a quick fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.